Guys, this is the way to build like figure. This is so long. I took here in 1 minute. Look. First, the body parts are going to be on just it is going to be easy, guys. First, guys, you do this. Secondly, do this. Look, the feet. Second, do this. Oh. Oh. Guys, try this is home. This is play. Don't eat it, guys. It's dangerous. Look at it. Look at this. And do the bottom part like this. And do like it this and the head of figure. And voila, look at this. And I just made ambush. Later in part 2. Bye, guys.